Check out this sound redesign I made of this clip from the TV show Invincible. Alright, so here's how I made some of this. Let's start with the impacts. Using a lot of rock and wood impact sounds, I really focused on carving out space for each transient and attack of each impact. The electricity is next. I use this plugin from Krotos Studios called Reformer. Here's an example of how I use it. I can take this sample of these rocks crushing, I can put it into Reformer, and it'll transform it into electricity sounds or whatever sounds you load into it. It'll retain the shape of the original sample, but it'll transform it into whatever you set as the new samples. And the last thing I like to include is some background noise. For this, I used the sound of distant earth rumbling. And here's the final thing one more time.